What's up, guys? Another quick video on my latest upgrades that I've done. Let's see. So the last video I kind of showed you about the mirrors because I was in the process of putting the new black bars on. So these are the XSR bars, and you can see how they fit and how they look. They are basically the exact same thing that was on there, but in black. So I think it looks a heck of a lot better, and like I said, I always like the bend. You know, this is actually just kind of a mock-up. I didn't think it was going to like the striping like I had on the 17 FZ09, but I'm going to go ahead and have it's hooliganstickers.com, or also known as mt09 stickers and fz09 stickers.com, do up some stickers for me. This was just kind of something I just wanted to see what it might look like, and I kind of like it. I've only got this here and here because you've got an orange stripe that runs all the way down. I just wanted to cover it up, so I'm not sure exactly what I'll do there, but it's going to be covered up. I don't think I like the orange there at all. So I've got that coming. Let's see, what else have I done? The Rizoma windscreen is on. I went ahead and wrapped that in matte black. Kind of the same thing I did on the 17. I'm getting a sticker made here to match this color. So that's at my local sign shop now. We match the colors, and actually hooliganstickers.com is working on getting a color match for this, but I went ahead and thought it would just be easier to go to my local shop, get the colors matched, and then I'll go ahead and share with him the color so he can get that out there for you guys as well. So that's new. I think that'll look pretty sharp with the sticker on the front, matching those stickers. And then let's see. Went ahead and changed the rear sprocket out. It is the stock size sprocket, but it is a black Vortex Sprocket. You know, little things that drive me crazy are the silver, the silver handlebars, the silver rear sets, the silver sprocket. Just drives me crazy. For some reason, after 2016, Yamaha decided to go with a silver sprocket instead of the black one. So I went ahead and ordered a, which you really don't necessarily need, but from a 16, the guard, the chain guard, and then I ordered a Vortex sprocket. I usually put those on my R1s, all my other bikes I usually use Vortex for. Got the rear sets from V-Cycle Nut. Have not put them on yet, obviously. But again, that was driving me crazy, that silver. But I think they should look pretty sharp on here. Let's see. So yeah, they look good. So I can't wait to get those on. I've just, time-wise, I haven't been able to do a whole lot. Work is crazy again right now. And then the last thing I've done, but that it's not here yet, is I went ahead and ordered an exhaust today. So I'm hoping that'll be in the next couple days. I'll go ahead and wait to reveal that until it comes in. I think you guys are going to be surprised what I went with this time. In the past, on my last 3 FZ09s, I went with the Aero Exhaust. It's a black canister with a carbon fiber tip. Love that exhaust. It looks amazing. The headers look amazing at the way they wrap around the engine. It just really, really flows with the bike's lines. So I'll reveal that once it comes in. Hopefully it'll be next week. So I'll do a video on that once I install. I'm going to try to get those rear sets on as soon as possible, hopefully in the next few days, week at most. I want to get them on before I put the exhaust on. And then the last thing I'll be waiting for, besides the tank stickers, is going to be the rear cowl by Pyramid Plastics. I've worked with them on my my last couple of bikes, and I'm just waiting for them to get the colors out. I've got a contact there that he told me that it's in paint right now. So as soon as that is available, they are going to send me one out. So I'm pretty excited about that. That, in my opinion, really completes the look of the bike. The rear cowl, it finishes it off. So between the exhaust, rear sets, and that rear cowl, for the most part, I'll be pretty much done. I'll have vcyclenut.com. I'll have him flash it. Actually, I may even just have him dyno it. It's always nice to get it perfectly tuned. Although his flashes are excellent, I just like the idea of throwing it on the dyno and making it just about as good as it can be. The only other thing I might mess with is the gas cap. Again, the silver drives me crazy. I've got this theme I like to go with. You know, it's this orange, it's this matte silver, and it's black. And there's no other silver on the bike except for a few things that I'm trying to avoid. I mean, I even black out the screws, the bolts here on the mirrors. I mean, I've got touch-up paint that I paint everything. It just drives me crazy. I probably should go ahead and get one of those aftermarket black anodized ones. I just haven't yet. I mean, I even put the covers on the forks there too. I just can't stand when it doesn't match. But anyways, that's just me. So there it is, guys. The newest mods or updates, whatever you want to call it, and then hopefully some exciting stuff coming soon. And then I'll start to ride it a little bit. I mean, I ride it all the time, of course, but I haven't done any moto vlogs or anything like that. You know, I just kind of feel like riding around with stock exhaust. It's just kind of boring. I like to hear the bike a little bit when I'm running around, and plus it sounds cooler in the video, so I'll start working on that a little bit. But all right, guys, a new follow-up coming soon, and I'll let you know on which exhaust I go with. See ya.